Hi there. In this video, we will learn how to use Stealth Writer tool to humanize AI generated content. This tool is also offered for free for some limited time. So let's start. Okay, you have to go to Google. Here you have to search Stealth Writer. Then you will come here after reading. Then you will click on try for free, like I have done. Okay, it will ask you to sign up, but you can also sign in by using your Google. Then you will have to click here signing. After clicking signing in, you will able to log in via Google. You can see that I have logged in via my Google account. Okay, you will have this interface. So you have to put your content here that will be AI generated. Like I'm writing it. My name is XYZ. Okay, so you have let's suppose this is an AI generated content. Then you will select any model from here. Like it's offering Ninja 1 to 4 and Ghost 2 to 4.1. You can select any of its model and then here click humanize. It will start humanizing your content, but you must have to enter at least 20 characters to humanize. Like I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, now click it here, humanize. It will start humanizing your content and it will be given here. Okay, it's here humanizing as this is repeated content, that's why it's taking some time. So you can see that with the 0% AI, it's just had given my name is XYZ. If you have to use its further model, you have to upgrade it. Like for free, it's offering only 300 words per request. You have access to only Ninja model and daily limit is restricted to only 5,000 words. If you have to move forward, then you have to buy it. Like its basic model will be $20 per month and standard is 35, and for premium it's they are giving it in $50 per month. You can choose any of its plan for your work that suits you best. However, it's a good tool to humanize your AI content. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more latest